Hey, what's up? Jigzer here. With push notifications, you'll never miss an important message, call, or update from the applications you use most. That's why it can be really inconvenient if your device suddenly stops receiving alerts. In this video, I recommend 3 solutions to fix this issue so you can get real-time notifications back on your iPhone, whether you're having trouble receiving them from a specific app or not getting alerts at all. Let's go. Before you begin the necessary configurations, ensure that your device is either connected to the internet or has good reception to receive SMS or other alerts from your apps. To receive real-time alerts, open Settings and navigate to Notifications. Note that this feature works on a per-application basis. When you first install an app, it usually asks for permission to send notifications to your device. If you initially denied access, browse the list of apps in the settings and toggle Allow Notifications for the specific program. Also, check all 3 alert modes so you can receive push notifications as banners and see them both on your notification and lock screens. Another configuration you need to check is the Scheduled Summary. Scheduled Summary is a notification feature that allows you to set a specific timeline to receive alerts at the interval of your choice. If you have this enabled, it may be the reason why you don't receive alerts at certain times of the day. You can choose to disable this option or set your preferred schedule. Next, go to Screen Sharing and check if it is set to Notifications Off. If so, push alerts will not appear by default if you have screen mirroring activated on your iPhone. As you probably know, focus modes are designed to reduce distractions and let you choose when you want to receive notifications from selected apps. Open the Control Center, tap the Focus panel, and make sure you don't have anything enabled to receive alerts in real time. In case you're still unable to receive notifications even after configuring all the settings correctly, you can try force restarting your device instead. This is simple but most effective for fixing minor and temporary glitches on your iPhone. Keep in mind, though, that the specific combination of keys required to do this may vary depending on the model of iPhone you have. For iPhones with Face ID such as iPhone X, iPhone 11, or any newer model, do the following steps. The following procedure also applies for iPhone 8 and iPhone SE. Press and quickly release the volume up and volume down buttons respectively. Then press and hold the side button. Once the Apple logo appears, release the side button and wait for your iPhone to restart. On the other hand, the process is slightly different on the iPhone 7. In this case, you need to press and hold both the volume down and side buttons simultaneously. Continue holding both buttons until the Apple logo appears on the screen. For those with an iPhone 6s or earlier, press and hold both the sleep and home buttons at the same time. Keep holding both buttons and release them when the Apple logo appears. And that's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.